What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Now you guys are probably wondering where the hell I've been. Let's just explain what's going on. So, sadly, yep, that's oil. Nah, I'm just kidding. Sadly, the NISMO has been down for about 2 months. It is November, and this car's been down since August, end of August, so really not 2 months yet. The NISMO has been down because the clutch pedal, master cylinder, slave, whatever you want to call it, has finally left the chat. I was driving one day, clutch pedal slapped the floor, never came back up, and here she is. So, we've been waiting on packages. Shout out to ZSpeed, shout out to South Bend. Packages finally came in today, and we have a video for you. Please, for the love of God, if you have a 2007, 2008 350Z HR, G35 sedan HR, any HR, VHR car, get the CMAK kit from ZSpeed. The CMAK elimination kit. Get a new master, change that, because you will be left stranded. I've did everything to the motor, refreshed the whole motor, as you guys know. This car only needed the CMAK kit. I held it off, ended up stranded. So, today, shout out Southman, shout out ZSpeed. Alright, let's see what we got here. Attention, installers, braking period, whatever. Yeah, warranty, whatever. Alright. By the way, guys, I know you guys see me throw this paper. I was just joking. Make sure you guys read this, because it tells you your braking period for the clutch you ordered. Please listen to this paper. Don't install your clutch and go and beating on your clutch and then ruin everything. Spent all this money. Do it right. Get the job done right. And then enjoy in the long run. Alright, guys, so we just opened up all the boxes. Wow. Got the CMAK V3 from ZSpeed. Got a brand new OEM clutch master cylinder. Stage 3 ZSpeed. I think it's Easy V, high performance quiet clutch. Not sure. All the links for everything will be in the description down below. We also got the South Bend flywheel, 19-pound flywheel. Because sadly, ZSpeed, they didn't have the flywheel for their clutch, so they sent me out this one. It was more expensive, and you know, they worked with me because they wanted my car back on the road. So shout out to ZSpeed, shout out to South Bend. So yeah, we got all of this. We're gonna get Nizzy back on the road. I don't know when. We're gonna be taking it to my boy in Tampa, VQ Boys Performance. They're gonna get the car right, and I guess I'll give you guys a review on what the clutch is feeling like after I am done installing this. And yeah, let's see. Am I gonna be getting that gym workout with this left leg or what? So stay tuned. See you guys when I am on the road to getting this fixed. Alright, YouTube. It's your boy Nick Stacks, man. Nizzy is getting on the trailer. Papa Stacks is about to get us right with the tow to Tampa. About to get Nizzy on the trailer. Let's get her up, and then I'll get back to you guys in a little bit when we are on the road. And just like that, boys, we are in the driveway. Nizzy is on the trailer. BMWs being BMWs. Yeah, Nizzy can never. We got the goods packed and ready to go. We'll wake up tomorrow morning, and I'll catch you guys on the road, man. As you can tell, YouTube, it is the next morning. It's can see the sky is barely lit. Got the truck started. You can hear that diesel boy. Got Nizzy still on the trailer. Nobody didn't steal my dad's truck or the car. And we are out. See you guys when I'm in Tampa.
Empanadas.
YouTube, we are on the road. Can you show them if Nizzy's still on there?
She's
Nizzy
not.
check. Oh.
Nizzy check.
Shit, cut. We on the road. We in Davenport, Florida, heading to Tampa.
Where in here?
ETA. I don't know. We made it. Also was selling some parts to the bro right here. That shit tough. Little drift missile vibes. But Nizzy is here. Alright, YouTube. What's up?
Oh snap!
What?
Q45.
Nah, it's a Toyota. That's a JZX, nigga.
I thought it's something.
NISMO is here in Tampa, dropped off and ready to get fixed. Shout out to my boy VQ Brian. Y'all go check out VQ Bush Performance. It's time to get the fuck up out of here. He about to get to work, man. What is up, YouTube? So we just got the NISMO back. Obviously can't bang no gears. Stage 3 clutch. Lightweight flywheel. Thing feels good. Shifting butter. Pedal is actually pushing back towards me. Cops is sitting in a nice spot. Nizzy, I ain't gonna lie, when I'm ready to run this shit, she's gonna eat.
I'm just happy I don't have to drive.
Nizzy, you're back, baby. I want to send you to the moon. But I'm gonna use the break-in period because this clutch was expensive. What's up, twin? Oh shit, 3.5 gang.
Another NISMO?
No, right here, this truck.
Oh.
She got HR in it, I guess.
Oh,
Yeah,
guys.
she feel good, guys. That boy Brian did his fucking thing, man. If you guys are in the Tampa area, man, if you're in Florida, Central Florida, take that trip to my boy Brian. Best prices, best work. That boy always get me right. That's the man that built this car. Him, Sean Garcia, them boys did their thing. Alright guys, as you can see, the NISMO has held up. We have been on the road. We were on a 1 hour and like 40-minute road trip. Show them we got about 30 minutos left. We're almost home, back in the area. And hey man, Nizzy is still driving strong, driving good. Alright, it is the next day. I didn't make an outro, so yes, the car made it home. That stage 3 clutch feels amazing. The CMAK, oh my god. The CMAK with the stage 3 clutch. I had the stage 3 before, but this stage 3 with the upgraded flywheel, whatever, bro, feels 10 times better. CMAK elimination kit, make sure you guys get on that. If you have a HR, VHR manual transmission, this is a common problem. Fix it now before you get left stranded like me. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, man. If you guys want more VQ content, even like any Florida car meets, car shows, content like that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.